up, you can get serious. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, give a fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Fuck got a nigga. Fuck got a.
Okay, so no. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys my unfurnished apartment. Yes. I don't know if you guys watched my last vlog with my nail vlog. If you heard, I did say I'm moving out, and I finally did. You know, got my own place. It is a basement apartment, so like whatever, but it's nice. I love it. This is my first time moving, so like moving on my own, so it's still kind of new to me and all, and you know, I am still getting the hang of it. So right now I just moved in probably like 2 days ago. I don't know what day this video is going to be up, but today is December 8th. And I was supposed to do vlogmas, but because I am moving and I had like so many things going on, I didn't get to do vlogmas. So yeah, I'm just gonna be vlogging regularly. I'm still gonna be doing like the vlogmas, but it won't be like the exact like day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. It won't be like in order like that, because again, I do work and I just moved, so I'm starting it late, so I don't think it would kind of, you know, fall into the vlogmas category or whatnot. But yeah, today's video will be about I will be showing you guys my unfinished basement apartment. But before we get right into this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and hit that thumbs up button if you like my videos, and leave all your comments down below so I know what you guys think and what you guys don't like, and you know, the whole shenanigans. But without further ado, let's jump into this. Is the hallway. I'm gonna just come inside. These are, you know, the buttons and whatnot. So because I'm going inside, I am going to just turn this off. Okay, and this is mine. I think this is a 1-bedroom. I'm not sure, I think so. But this is where my laundry is. Right now I'm doing my laundry. I'm washing like some sheets and towels that I had that was dirty, so that's what's happening right here. And this is, I don't know what this is, but I'm just gonna turn this, actually I'm gonna leave this on because I am doing laundry. So actually no, okay, I'm gonna turn it off. And now inside my apartment. So this is the hallway. I'll lock this door. Yeah. So this is the hallway, right? These boxes are just the boxes that I use to move and stuff. So like most of my, you know, my clothes were in there. I just packed out some of them. Some still inside the boxes. I did not, because I did not get everything as yet. It is unfurnished apartment tour right now, and yeah, I showed you this is the hallway. So when you come this way, you have like, you know, where you put, well, I'm putting like, you know, winter jackets and like shoes that I wear every day, or shoes that I just want to slip on if I'm going out, so like my Timbs because it's winter, my Uggs because it's winter, and like my slippers and whatever. And pretty much just shoes that I would wear every day. Right now I just put it right here because I didn't know where else to put them, and I wanted to get rid of some of the boxes. So that's that. And this is pretty much like the master bedroom. Right now I just have like a air mattress until I get like my bedroom set. I just did laundry, so that's why the clothes are like on the bed and whatnot. Still have 2 boxes with like my clothes inside because I didn't unpack any of that stuff. box here with like some papers, documents, and all of that I need to get a safe for to put it inside one of my closets. And this is just my chair that I have, and my everyday bag, which is my work bag, and bag that I bring everywhere because it's big and it can hold like a lot of stuff. This is my closet in the master bedroom. I started putting out some stuff, but like I'm still not done. Again, I just wanted to get rid of some of the boxes, so that's that. And this is the master bedroom. Okay, now on to the next. Now this is the washroom. Wait, I don't know why I didn't turn on the lights, but okay. So this is the washroom right now. This is how it's looking. I have my laundry basket right there because I don't know where else to put it right now. And like, you know, the garbage for the washroom. It's like a, I don't know why, yeah, but it's a standing shower. Back here, I had this thing from my, when I was at my aunt's house. I had this where I had my bags and stuff on. I just put it in the washroom for like the towels and my robes because I realized I didn't have like a section to put like the towels in and whatever. But I'm going to try to get like one of those like, you know, those things that you could put over the toilet to put like your towels and whatnot. So for now, I'm using the back of the door. And back here, I just have some little stuff that I bought, like cleaning supplies, body wash, and whatever. And then here I have like my stuff for like, you know, my hair. I have these are some mats for the washroom. I have them in gray right now, and I also bought them in the white. And these are some rags just in case like I have any visitors or whatever and they want to take a shower. At least I could give them a rag to take a shower because there's nothing in here yet. But that's the washroom, and that's me looking crazy, but whatever, I don't care. That's that. Then this is the second bedroom. So this bedroom, I'm thinking of doing like almost, this is where I'm going to be recording my YouTube videos and stuff, and pretty much like my wigs, my lashes, pretty much my office slash filming room right now. So these are just the stuff that I need to unpack because, you know, I don't have any furniture or anything as yet. So I have my hooker right there. That's my thing for my wigs. These are some next tripods that are like my ring lights and stuff. Speaking of ring light, I need to find that ASAP. I'm just realizing that, but yeah, whatever. You know, my Marilyn Monroe portrait that I have from before. My clothing rack. I'm gonna put like the boutique because I'm actually going to like taking the boutique more serious now. So this will pretty much be, you know, the boutique section or whatever. And here is like a next closet. Wow, this is like a next closet, but for now I just have like my bags there. This is from my carnival outfit from like last year, and some of my shoes are just right here for now because I have nowhere else to put them. But yeah, this is the second bedroom. And yeah, now to the kitchen and the living room area. Let me turn this down. Okay, so I just got this couch like yesterday. I got it for, I don't remember how much I got. I think I got it for like $6 something. Yeah, this is, I don't know why I didn't just turn this light on. Yeah, So that's like a fireplace. I didn't do anything with it because I don't know what else to do with it right now. This is my picture of Bob Marley. Yeah. My Bible right there because we can't go anywhere without, you know, God's blessings. My speaker. Yeah, this is a fireplace. I have this TV in my room. And I'm going to get like a bigger TV, but right now this is the one I'm using. And obviously that and this bin right here is just the bins with like my lash packaging, my hair packaging and all that. I just use it for the TV right now because I do not have anything else. And yeah, that is the living room area. And then this is the kitchen. That's my aunt. She's making food for me because she knows I love her. Actually, I'm not gonna show you the fridge because the fridge is empty, but yeah. So then she's cooking. I'm just gonna say hi.
Oh.
Look, YouTube.
How look?
It's YouTube. Say hi now.
Hi.
Anyways.
Cooking right now.
So she's cooking fish, chicken, yes, and these are the cupboards. We have like little foods here and there. All of this, most of this is empty stuff. There's nothing really than things to clean. Why? Anyways, so the chicken, whatever she's cooking, I'm just gonna stay out of her way because yeah, I like some little stuff in case, you know, you get hungry. And like oil and vinegar. That's it. And this rubbish, this garbage bin that my aunt gave to me and booze. But yeah, that's it pretty much. This door is pretty much like the furnace place and whatnot, and it has like a storage thing right here to put like, well, right now I just have like my laundry stuff, washing soap and whatever right here, but nothing else is in there, so I don't really go in there. But yeah, this is my little, you know, basement apartment tour. So yeah, that is it for, you know, my apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I don't know what day this video will be up, but thank you guys, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.